Gowdy checking in.
Two of those. Or there are more. You can. It's to your taste. I used about two. It's a hot fire.
The best rock of all time. All the time. Let the party begin! 94.5 The Edge.
Look. Just look at the goodness. I gotta show you this. Chef's Temp sent me this. Oh, I don't know, a year or so ago. I'm gonna try to do this without the tripod. You open this up, and it tells you the air temperature. It looks like 84 degrees right here. But look, when I turn this over, can you see that? I don't know if I can give you glare on there. The display turns over. So it doesn't matter how you turn that. It automatically displays. It's just the handiest thing. And they're not paying me for this. But I tell you, I use the heck out of this thing. It just really is a handy little device. Why are you laying in the sun and panting? There's all kinds of shady spots around. You like that sun, don't you? Can you see butter and garlic? Ah, yeah. That's the garlic on top of that, pasted on there. That looks so good. I know what you're saying. Bill Gowdy, that is a lot of food for one person. Well, yes, it is. But it's supposed to rain in the next 2 days. Yeah, for the next 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So, you know, I'm cooking ahead. And of course, Lucy, she loves chicken. Let's see where we're at here. Yeah, all we needed was 170. We're at 188. That's the biggest piece. Let's see. That's 182. All right. I think we're done. Oh yeah, that's 200. Let's get them off. Let's get to eating, shall we? Looky here. That's a hard-boiled egg that I made and put in my dill pickle juice. Leftover dill pickle juice and a hard-boiled egg. You can't beat it. In lieu of a salad, I have a relish tray. One dill pickle, a couple radishes, cherry tomatoes. These are stuffed olives. They're stuffed with jalapeno and garlic. My egg, celery. I think that's it. I can't forget Ken's Steakhouse Chunky Blue Cheese dressing. I like that for dipping sauce. Let's give this a try, shall we? Oh, look at that. Look at the juiciness. Oh my. That is so good. American fries with no added sugar ketchup. It has less than 1 gram carb in it. There's a secret to making that I can actually eat potatoes and not raise my blood sugar. You don't rinse them. You don't rinse off the starch. You cut them and you keep the outside skin on. And then I cook them in the air fryer. Oh, they are so good. I can have potatoes again. Moderately. And then I think there's 5 grams of carb in cottage cheese, and that's black pepper on my cottage cheese. I love black pepper on there. Man, that's good. Thank you for watching. Bill Gowdy out.